Watch strap guy here. So listen to this. It's 2018. I'm standing inside of an authorized dealer at the Beverly Center in Los Angeles, California. And on my wrist is my Grail watch, the Hamilton Intra-Matric 68 Auto Chrono. I had seen some posts on the watch sites about this new piece coming out of Hamilton as sort of an homage to the classic Chrono 68, which personally I thought was just great. The 42mm version of that watch, this reissue, was exactly what I wanted to own. You know how some watches just make sense? This reissue, for me, was exactly that. So I tried on the watch, and you know what? I didn't buy it. I couldn't afford it. So bear with me. Let me back up and share a little bit about how I got this. Over the years, I scoured the platforms like Chrono 24, eBay, Gray Market, all in hopes of finding really a mint condition model at a heavily discounted price. And I never did find that heavy discount. So last year, 2022, I stumbled onto the Watch Exchange, the forum on Reddit, ready to take the plunge into finding and buying this particular timepiece. A few users had listed their Intra-Matrics for sale in the past, and not being a Reddit user, I didn't really realize that there was people like you and I that were dealing and selling and trading on these forums. So I just sent cold messages to anybody who had ever shown interest in parting ways. Among them, one person who I'll call Bruce for this story had posted his 42mm Intra-Matric 68 for sale back in 2018. But destiny, I suppose, had kept it from finding a new home or staying in his. When I made contact, he explained to me that the watch was actually still available and unworn, and that he was the original owner. We went back and forth about purchasing history, price, logistics, etc. And really, I was thrilled to hear that he was the original owner and that this piece was purchased from his authorized dealer. For me, the decision was made. I'm based in Austin, Texas. Bruce was a little bit further north. I drove a very enthusiastic 2.5 hours to meet him in the middle, a place called Corsicana, Texas. And we talked. He was a perfect gentleman. He was a great guy. He presented a nice white bag, and inside was all the original box, cards, the original strap that came on the watch. Bruce expressed his joy in seeing the timepiece find its rightful home. The deal was done, and after countless wishes, I was the proud owner of my dream watch. And with that, this will kick off a new series of wearing options with the Hamilton Intra-Matric 68 Auto Chrono. Now, before I go, really quick, I wanted to give a shout out and thank you to, at the time of recording this, there are 532 subscribers to this channel. Super grateful for all of you that have been watching the other video series, the Hamilton Khaki Field, the Bulova, and some of the other stuff that's been posted. Really appreciate all of you guys and love the comments. Some of the stories that you guys have been sharing have been really great. And lastly, my friends over at Strapsco were kind enough to send over a couple of really beautiful, awesome bracelets, Jubilees, and some really cool options to tinker with. Strapsco was also kind enough to send over a discount code for you guys. So if there's anything that catches your eye and you'd like to purchase or pick up any of these, I'll have a discount code in the show notes below. So take a look. And if you do buy anything, let me know. Drop a line in the comments. I'd be curious to hear which ones, which straps you pick up, which bracelets you like. With that, the Hamilton Intra-Matric Chrono 68. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video, launching the new Hamilton Intra-Matric video series. If you like this, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for future releases. Thanks.